guests tonight, or no?
No.
Good evening. I'd like to call the Board of Health meeting to order at 6:31 PM. First up on the agenda tonight is the Pledge of Allegiance, please. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which stands one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, up next is to accept the minutes of the February 26th, 2019 meeting.
I make a motion to accept the minutes of the February 26, 2019 meeting.
I second that motion.
I have a motion and a second. Any other discussion?
No.
Hearing none, all in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Okay. At 6:32 PM, I will open the public hearing for 118 Pierpont Road, Dudley, Mass. The engineer is Jay Dubois of DC Engineering and Survey, Inc., and they are here. They have applied for this public hearing for a local upgrade approval for the soil absorption system, to be less than 100 feet but greater than 50 feet to private well at 120, 118, and 116 Pierpont Road. Local upgrade approval for the SAS to be less than 10 feet from property line. Local upgrade approval for SAS to be less than 20 feet from crawl space. And local upgrade approval for septic tank to be less than 50 feet from the private well. So the public hearing is open. Before, we have no one here, so, so there's no one to speak about the public hearing. So basically, at this time, I will close the public, I'll entertain a motion to close the public hearing.
Did you say that part too?
Not yet, just to
Oh,
close the public hearing.
I make a motion to close the public hearing.
I second that.
I have a motion and a second. No other discussion, no one here for anything. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Okay, so the public meeting is closed at 6:33. So now, these are the plans, and we can entertain a motion.
All right, so I make a motion to, let's see, accept, what did you say? The public hearing? No,
To approve.
to approve the public hearing,
No, the
the
local upgrade.
local upgrade approval, as outlined in plans of 118 Pierpont Road.
Mhm. I have a motion.
And I second that motion.
I have a second. So do we have any discussion? These are the plans.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, it's just readjusting some of the state guidelines, which we have the ability to do, so. And no one was here to oppose it. Yeah, yeah. All right, so I have a motion and a second. Any other discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. So it passes unanimously. Up next, number 4, is the public health nurse discussion. So at this time, we are still without a public health nurse. There was talk of the town of Southbridge going into a coalition. That was since our last meeting, that has fallen apart. So we are in the process of looking, we were getting in touch with Worcester. Tom said that they're out straight pretty much right now, but they did give us a couple other avenues to look into for a public health nurse. So hopefully by the next meeting, we'll have more information.
So it's just that they're too busy with pre-existing.
Because Harrington closed their preventative health, now a lot of towns are,
Scramble.
without nurses, like us,
Okay.
but we're getting there.
So it's a plan in place.
That's right, we'll get through it. Up next, number 5, Earth Day. We do have Earth Day set for April 27th, which is a Saturday, and it will be at the Highway Garage. We do have wonderful flyers that were created, very nice. So it's 8 to 12 on that Saturday. But we will have some bags available earlier, a couple weeks beforehand, that can be picked up at the Board of Health office anytime during the hours that they're open.
We're specifically using yellow bags.
Yes, so you have to come and get one of the bags that we're providing, because this is the way that we're tracking them. So it has to be picked up and disposed of in a yellow bag. You can come and get the bags early, but you'll come and dispose between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. at the Highway Garage on Indian Road. You can contact the Board of Health either at 508-949-8017 or by email boh@dudleyma.gov. If you have any questions or interested in forming a team or have a particular area that you'd like to pick up, that would be great. We are being funded in part by the Last Green Valley, which they do offer a grant to towns and everything for this particular thing, doing Earth Day cleanup. And we are looking for mainly trash, not big items, not,
Electronics.
yeah, nothing
tires,
like that.
like
Nothing that's going to cost to get rid of. We are just looking to clean up the sides of the roads. So,
At
It-
this point, we have no contract for tires or metal scrap.
scrap metal, right?
So at this point, we can't take those.
Right.
We're looking into it, though.
If we have any updates, we'll, post it on the website, and, by all means, you can always check in with the office. The Board of Health, just so if anyone is interested to come in and pick up any bags, we currently don't have the bags. We should have them within the next 2 weeks or so.
They were ordered today, so
Yeah,
free delivery means probably a week or a week and a half out.
yeah, so, and the Board of Health, the office is staffed Mondays and Tuesdays, 10 to 4:30, and Thursdays, 12:30 to 7. So come on down, grab some bags, and get ready to clean up Dudley. And if anybody has any questions, again, feel free to contact the Board of Health office. So, thanks, Ted. Great job. We have no health agent report, as Tom is not here this evening. Our next meeting will be held April 30th at 6:30 PM, right here. I'll entertain a motion.
Make a motion to adjourn.
I second that motion.
I have a motion and a second. Any other discussion? Seeing none. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Meeting adjourned at 6:37.